Not every single day, but every single week, I get comments on my videos, I get emails, I get asked, how the heck, Lisa, do you get so much done? Do you work 24/7 around the clock, and do you ever sleep? The answer is I sleep pretty well, but I live by a planner, y'all. I've lived in a planner for like the last 9 or 10 years. It's the only way I can shut off my brain and get things accomplished, right? I lived in a happy planner for about 6 years, but it seemed like the years started going by so fast that every time I turned around, it was time to buy a happy planner, and my budget didn't love the cost of a happy planner. So a couple years ago, I drew up these 5 different weekly layouts that I can customize with all kinds of different pretty washi tape and colored markers, gel pens, colored pencils. I've even used watercolor paint on my pages. These just print on regular copy paper, right? I don't know about you, but I think it is way more fun and exciting to use a planner if you make them pretty. But these 5 different layouts you could just print right off and start using, right? This one here is my favorite go-to weekly layout. It has a little meal section where you can plan your meals. Am I the only one who plans out my meals and then gets excited when they see their favorite meal coming up? That might just be the foodie in me, but I love to see my favorite meal coming up in my planner. But yeah, I just live in a planner and I plan everything out, and that way my mind can just rest. If I don't write it down, I know I'm going to forget about it, and my mind is always like searching, what am I forgetting? What am I forgetting? And for me, this is the only way I can just let that go, right? Write it down real quick and I don't have to think about it anymore. So yeah, I just put these in my Etsy shop because I had someone reach out to me and ask if I have a planner page. I have 5, and I use each one of the different pages for different reasons. There's one of these pages that I print off if I'm planning for a trip, what to pack, as the days approach, what I need to do to get ready. There's one that I use for projects. And over the days of the week, I put a big thing of washi tape over top of that. And then I have different sections where I can plan out my project. So lots of different ways you could use them. I even love this page here because I love a good bullet journal. Have you ever tried a bullet journal? So I included a bullet journaling section on 2 of the different pages. This one here's got a bigger section. But yeah, if you have a creative mind and you love a planner, check out these pages. You can print them off indefinitely, and you don't have to worry about buying a new planner every year. Okay, see y'all later. Bye.